Welcome everyone. Welcome to my first YouTube video. We're going to be going through quite a lot today. We're going to be going through Ftmo as a prop firm. We're going to be going through my first Ftmo withdrawal. We're also going to be going through my top 5 in the world for Ftmo traders, and we're going to be going through a couple charts as well. So obviously we have a trader's analysis in front of us. This was the account that helped me get to number 5 in the world for Ftmo traders. So this is the entire account. It was a $200,000 account. We started it on May the 5th, and you can see the balance curve over there. It's a little bit up and down, but look, most of it was in profit. We didn't take any drawdown on the account, which was really good. Moving along, we can see the general statistics here. So we had a total of about $29,000 profit. This is in USD. In Australian, it's about, I believe it's about 43,000 AUD. So it was pretty good run by me that month. You can see that we had the $5,000 profit there for our average profit, and the average loss was about $988. So we had a risk reward of about 5. So, you know, pair those all together and that's pretty profitable. So you can see that my last max profit was $12,000 and my max loss was $2,000. So with my max profit, I'm pretty sure I had a 1 to 12 risk reward setup. So that was a 12x basically, risk $1,000, make 12,000. And with the loss, I believe I just had a really late entry on that one. And now we have our long and short comparison, and you can see that I've done this on a 21 to 23% win rate, and that just goes to show you that having a high win rate doesn't mean you're a good trader. So I basically got to top 5 in the world with a 21% win rate. If I had a 50% win rate, God knows where I'd be. But look, I'm pretty happy with the position I'm in. Long balance and short balance was pretty good, I guess. And now we're moving on to the results by day. I try to have really strong Mondays, you know, set the standard for the week. So you can see on Monday, $22,000 profit. I don't know if I did that on one day or if that's just, you know, all the Mondays combined, but look, I try to have a really strong Monday. But look, having good strong Mondays is like key, it's crucial, you know, like if you have a good strong Monday and you set the standard for the week, you're most likely going to have a better week than you would have if you started the Monday on a bad note, if you know what I mean. So you're rested over the weekend, you have a nice time to reset, and you come in on Monday and you go and smash the markets. That's pretty much the mentality I take with me. So now we've got the pairs on the screen, which I have traded for my Ftmo account. So look, most of these pairs have just been trending on the higher time frames, like the 4-hour and the daily. I like to look for pairs that are trending on those time frames and then dropping it down onto the lower time frames, 1 minute or 3 minute, for good continuations. So you can see that I traded for a total of 10 days and I was positive for 7 of those days, and I took a total of about 8 trades per day, which is pretty aggressive, but I felt like I had the hot hand in everything, and I felt like, you know, most of my setups were playing out, the markets were good, so that's why I was pretty aggressive on this account. And then you have the trade duration. So look, I believe this is during like London, Frankfurt Open and all that. So you can see that during that one time, 2 to 6, I was up 58,000. So, you know, during that time, I believe it is, because I'm not sure what time they convert it to on Ftmo website, but look, between that time, which is I'm pretty sure that is Frankfurt Open or London, I've made 58,000. So there you go. I've lost it all in the other fucking sessions. So there you have it, that's the total evaluation. They did give me a bit of a hard time for my profit withdrawal of 29,000. So I actually left the trade on over the weekend, and it was in profit, it was closed in profit, it was a complete accident, but they were pretty much going to terminate my account. So you can see if we scroll up a little bit, we had a trade on Sunday, which is not a normal thing. So we had that open, it was a $4,200 profit trade. It was profitable. My stop loss was at break even, so it was risk free. I can't show you guys the emails, but they were pretty much going to terminate my account and everything, and I don't know if they were going to keep my profit or whatnot, but after everything, I felt like it was okay because they negotiated with me. They put me onto an Ftmo swing account, so you can hold trades over the weekend. Not that I ever do that, but they pretty much resolved it with me, and I was able to withdraw my 31 grand. So I just wanted to show you guys one of my best trades on the Ftmo account. So this was a trade on Great British Pound Japanese Yen. We also had the 1 minute time frame up here marked out. So this was my execution time frame. We had a breaker structure here. We had inducement just above the zone here. And we also had that demand zone below as well. And I didn't have this marked out as well, but there's also a protected low below this demand zone as well. So the protected low is basically the low that causes the break of structure. So it's that low that takes out the old high. So my stop loss was just at the protected low, and I was targeting an old high for one of my take profits as well. And you can see that the time is just about to hit Frankfurt Open, and then we're just about to hit London, and then the trade takes off. So it's all strategic. I time my trades very well with the London Open and the Frankfurt Open for them to take off. And of course, we've got the top 5 FTMO. This is probably one of my best achievements today. I didn't even know that FTMO had a leaderboard until a couple weeks ago, or probably about a month ago. And then I did the challenge. We got funded, and I wanted to get onto the FTMO leaderboard. So, you know, we did that. We got number 5 in the world. Obviously, I withdrew my money because I don't want to keep 31 grand up in there just to prove a point. But, you know, I want to get paid at the end of the day. But look, to rep the Aussies up there, it feels pretty good, to be honest, to be up on the leaderboard. And despite having an actual violation by holding a trade over the weekend, you know, FTMO spared me and put me onto the FTMO swing account, and they kept my profit on there. So look, we ended up getting paid 31 grand. FTMO is real, Forex is real, all of this is real. So there you go, guys.